What does cheese say when it sees itself in the mirror? Halloumi! That's right, halloumi. And that's what we're making today. We're making vegan halloumi. And the first thing you need to do is make a fantastic cheesy marinade. And that marinade starts with this stuff, olive oil. Now we're gonna need a little salt, a lot of nutritional yeast or nooch, and the juice of 1 lemon. Now stir all of those ingredients together to make a nice thick marinade. If your marinade is looking a little thick, then don't worry, just add a touch of water to loosen it. So that's our marinade looking real good. It looks a bit like Dijon mustard. You could give it a taste now and add a bit more salt if you so wish. But I think this is perfect for us. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna marinate our tofu. I've got a piece of firm tofu here, cut into about a centimetre strip. Lay it down and sort of spread that marinade onto the tofu. Make sure that all sides of the tofu is covered. So that is our tofu halloumi ready to go into the oven. But as you can see, we've got quite a bit of marinade left in the bowl. And to make this go a little bit further, what we're gonna do now is make a little drizzle to go over the tofu before it goes in the oven. Add a touch of olive oil and then a splash of acidic apple cider vinegar. And mix all that around until we've got a nice liquidy drizzle. Gonna spoon it over the halloumi just to give it a little bit more flavor. And it's gonna make it taste super cheesy. It's gonna have that nice zippy zing that you associate with halloumi, and it's basically gonna be really delicious, especially when we serve it with the salad that we're gonna show you how to make in a minute. This is now going into the oven for 25 minutes at 180 degrees until it's nice and rubbery, just like halloumi. So we wanted our vegan halloumi to be complemented with a really healthy salad, so we decided to use quinoa. It's actually really easy. What you need is 400 mils of water, 200 grams of rinsed quinoa, a little pinch of salt, a quick stir to mix everything together, and now we're going to let that quinoa simmer away for between 20 and 25 minutes until it's nice and fluffy. So our vegan halloumi is out of the oven and it is looking very, very good. But do you know what? I think it can look better. Now this stage is purely aesthetic. You don't need to do it, but you eat first with your eyes, so it's well worth doing. We are simply going to take these vegan halloumi slices and we're going to place them on our griddle pan to form those griddle lines that you associate with pieces of real halloumi. There we go. Looking pretty legit, that. Right, so that halloumi is looking good. It's dried out a little bit. It's got a nice rubbery texture, and those griddle lines look great. And they are ready to go, which means it's time to build our salad. So now we're gonna make our salad, but before we put our salad ingredients into the bowl, we're gonna make our salad dressing in the bowl. And the first thing that we need is some extra virgin olive oil. Squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon, a grated garlic clove, and we need a good pinch of pepper and a good pinch of salt. We're gonna mix all that together. This is gonna be really zippy, really tangy, and it's gonna complement our halloumi perfectly. So that dressing's done, so now we've got some cucumber, some cherry tomatoes, and some spring onions. Right, that's all really nicely mixed together. Now we've got our quinoa, which is cooled down to just over room temperature. Now we've got some dill fronds, and we've got some mint leaves. So for this, you can use a spoon, you can use a salad stirrer, or you can use your hands, obviously clean hands. And this is a great way to get a feel for the salad and to make sure that everything's fluffed up together. So that's our salad looking very, very good. I'm gonna go wash my hands and then we'll serve up. So there it is, that simply, subtly dressed quinoa salad with those lovely, colorful additions of tomato, cucumber, and spring onion. That vegan halloumi is looking really legit. Those char marks make all the difference. They look so good. Oh, pomegranate seeds for that lovely, fresh, sweet pop. And of course, a couple of pistachios just for an extra bit of crunch and that really nice, earthy, nutty flavor. Delicious. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, that halloumi is so good. It's got that really rubbery texture. It's got the nice, subtle, cheesy notes from the nutritional yeast. It's got a little bit of saltiness. Basically, it's really, really tasty. And that salad that complements the halloumi is really good too. Oh, you can imagine yourself sitting on a nice decking in a nice garden with the evening sun coming down on you with a glass of wine. That is a really, really good dish. And if you're into salads and you miss halloumi, this is definitely something you should give a whirl. I've really enjoyed cooking this for you today, and I hope you have enjoyed watching the video. If you have done, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and keep your eyes peeled because we've got loads more videos just like this one coming very, very soon. And until then, we shall see you again next time.